do that again. I'll do it one more time. All right, so I'm here with the CMO. And we are, because of Lindell James, like LeBron James, his promise, Lindell from GOBY sent us 2 of these beautiful toothbrushes, and one is for the CMO who requested black. So she's gonna do a quick unboxing of this. There you go.
Should I start with the...
Yeah, oh yeah, pull that sucker off. I love when a product comes and it's like a gift when you open it up. This is like a gift to yourself. Oh, show that to the camera. Black on black. I don't know if you guys can see. I can't see, but look, get.
It's kind of shiny.
Oh, get your buzz on. All right, I'm sorry, I'm taking over. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh wow, check that out. Stealth black. Stealth black, guys. And what's cool about this, there are other black toothbrushes on the market, but I've never seen the black head here. Now again, GOBY is a subscription model, and the cool thing is you need to change these brushes probably once every 3 months, so you can just subscribe to it and have them send the unit to you. What do you think about that?
Looks good.
Looks nice, right? Matte black. All right, Lindell James. Thank you, bruh. This is your charger.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to go through everything. Well, all right, we'll go through it all.
Just didn't know what it was.
Yeah, so in these little boxes here, right here is the charging base. There's your charging base, and it's black. Now, when I did the unboxing, I did not realize that at the bottom is a little tray. So when you are brushing your teeth every day, which you should twice a day at least, and you're putting this back in the charging tray, you'll get some, you know, seepage, some water, and it collects in this, which can be easily cleaned. This is a rubber, and it's nice. This right here, right into that base. I don't know if you can see it. Fits neatly right into the base. And you got a nice travel case or a cover, a little travel cover that keeps your brush head clean and fresh. And it's also smoked plastic. Attention to details with this with GOBY. Black, stealth black. I should have gotten the stealth black. All right. What else do you have in there, girl?
It's just the cable, charging cable.
Well, we need to show that because I need to show you. All right. So here is the little charging device, and it sits neatly right into the base, and it's like a proximity charger. So when you put it in there, it doesn't seat into like a plug. It's charges from being right next to the device. Isn't that cool? USB or right into the wall. All right, so there you go. I've got another present for you.
Another one?
I got another present for you, girl. So my boy Mike Solano at M Creations Print Studio has sent us some beautiful shirts. Average Guy tested and approved shirts. This is one for Peggy in a nice, it's kind of like a sports feel to it.
Yeah.
And a nice green. That's one. And then I know Peggy, this is more her speed, plain black with the approved on the back. So links below, guys. You can get more information about my man Mike Solano and his team over at M Creations Print Studio, and obviously GOBY. Check them out, and full reviews of the GOBY toothbrush coming soon. We want to thank Lindell James for sending that over. We'll see you clowns next time. So there's the CMO on her Lime scooter.